Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix you cannot sign in to your Xbox app on PC. So when you're trying to sign in, pop-up disappears and basically you cannot sign in. It's super easy fix, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go on search and then you just need to write wreset, wreset, and it should be a wreset command. So wait. And basically Microsoft Store will restart and look after that if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, I will show you another fix what you need to do here. So first of all, you need to open up Windows PowerShell and make sure to run as admin. And then you just need to put few commands. So the first command will be this. And then you need to put second command, that is this. All the commands will be in the video description below, so you can easily copy and paste it. And then you just need to reinstall gaming services of Xbox, right? Wait for a couple of seconds until installation process is done. After that, I recommend you to restart your PC and then you should able to sign into your Xbox app, PC app account. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.